Hey everyone, need to format a Ventoy USB drive and start fresh. Whether you're removing Ventoy, changing the file system, or preparing the drive for a new setup, formatting the USB drive is a simple process. Just remember that formatting will erase all files stored on the drive, so be sure to back up anything important first. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to format a Ventoy USB drive step by step, so let's get started. First, open your Ventoy USB drive and copy any important ISO files or documents to another storage device. Formatting will remove everything stored on the USB drive. Next, open File Explorer and locate your Ventoy USB drive under this PC. Double-check that you've selected the correct USB drive before continuing. Now right-click the USB drive and select Format. Windows will open the formatting window where you can choose the file system and other options. Select the file system that best fits your needs, such as exFAT, NTFS, or FAT32, depending on how you plan to use the drive. You can also leave the allocation unit size at its default value unless you have a specific reason to change it. Click Start, then confirm the warning that all data will be erased. Once the formatting process begins, wait until Windows reports that it has completed successfully before removing the USB drive. After formatting is complete, reopen the USB drive in File Explorer to verify that it's empty and ready to use. If you plan to use Ventoy again, you can now reinstall it on the freshly formatted drive. And that's how to format a Ventoy USB drive. Whether you're preparing it for a fresh Ventoy installation or using it as a regular storage device, formatting only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.